Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Life Over 55 with Kim. I'm Kim. So, I weighed yesterday. I did not do a video. I did a quick short yesterday, but I was not able to get a video in. Everybody knows that I am working 6 days a week, open to close. So, my time frame is very short, and let me add, I'm tired. I'm very tired. So, with stating that, I did mention that I had come off of Weight Watchers because I'm not doing that price. I'm not paying that. That's ridiculous. They took stuff away from us and they still want us to pay that kind of money. Not doing it. So, I am using my app, my Lose It app. And so I did start that and I am recording in it. I am doing everything that I need to do, right? So this is day two or three. Anyway, I did weigh in and I did not weigh. I told you for like 2.5 weeks I have not weighed. So I did weigh. I'm maintaining. I am so maintaining. Like I'm not really gaining. I'm not really losing. So I need something to kick in for me to get that start losing again, right? So here we are. And it's not easy. This journey is a very, very, very difficult journey. Like I said, unless you're doing that shot and then it's very simple. But I have a feeling after you do the shot, you get to your weight, you come off of that shot, you're probably going to gain that weight back because that process it's probably what's going to happen. So we're going to take my journey very slow because I am not into medication. I am not into shots. I am not into any of that. So we will see how long this takes me. It's been started in January, been fluctuating. I've had a lot of crazy stuff happen in my life since December, in all honesty, probably since November, actually, really November. That's been going on. So I had gained a lot of weight. I gained a lot of weight. So I took 20 of that pounds off. Now I just need to get to that next 20 and get happy, right? So I did post in the group today. I don't know if anyone saw it or not, but I did post that I forgot how it went now. My brain does not work, y'all. So anyway, if you see, go into the my group, Life Over 55 with Kim on Facebook, and check out that post because it's like so right on point. Struggles, nothing's overnight, right? Day by day. Basically is the gist of that, I think. Anyway, so I've been counting calories and I've been really making sure that I am logging into that Lose It app just because of the fact that counting calories is new for me, right? So I'm not used to it and I still find myself going, okay, what do I want? Oh, this is 0 points. I don't have 0 points anymore. I don't have 7 points anymore. I don't have any of that. So now I have to physically be able to count the calories. And like I said, it's all new. So I had lunch today, 619 calories for my lunch. It tells you where you should average. Like I should have had a snack this morning, which I did not. And my snack was 103 calories. And then my lunch was supposed to be 400 and something calories. So I added those two together. And then dinner is probably like another like 300 and something calories. But I'm not probably going to use all of my dinner calories because I do get a snack after dinner also. But again, I don't get home until 7. So by the time I eat, I'm having soup and salad for dinner. That's going to be my dinner. For lunch, I had barbecue beef on one piece of bread, a half a cup of mashed potatoes, and a cup of green beans. That was my lunch. For breakfast, I had a half a cup of oatmeal, 2 eggs, one piece of whole wheat toast, and 2 slices of Canadian bacon, along with coffee. I have drank 32 ounces of water so far, so I still have another 32 ounce I need to get in. For lunch, I had a Diet Coke, which is almost gone, so I'm done with my soda for the day. So again, this counting calories is so different than what it was like with being with the Weight Watchers. So we shall see. I did ask in my last video if anybody wanted me to start talking about LA weight loss. So I did have somebody tell me that they did. So what LA weight loss is? LA weight loss is basically you're eating clean. So all of your meats and fruits need to be fresh. If you don't have fresh, frozen is okay, but preferably they want fresh. And no canned, because there's too much sodium in canned. So LA weight loss is going to be low carb. It's going to be kind of more on the protein, but not really. So it's basically taking your food groups and you are dividing it up throughout the day. So the red plan now LA Weight Loss used to offer bars, right? So if you did bars, it would depend on your weight, where you were on what plan you started and how much weight you needed to lose. But if you didn't do bars, then everybody was on the same plan, which was called the red plan. The red plan, it is, without the bars, is 2.5 proteins. And usually, so it's 2.5 proteins, and the proteins, instead of it being 6 ounces, would be 8 ounces. Your half, of course, would be 4 ounce. 4 vegetables, and vegetables are just what they are, vegetables. Cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, green beans. Now, starches count with corn and your peas and beans and things like that are going to be falling into your starch. But as far as the vegetables, it's exactly vegetables, the basic group of vegetables: onions, carrots, celery, broccoli, cauliflower, all of that type of stuff. Then you get 3 fruits, and your fruits are your fruits. And again, fresh fruit. Frozen is okay, but they want you to do fresh, everything fresh. And you get 3 starches a day. Starches are going to be your bread, your potatoes, your beans, your corn, your peas, your normal everyday starches. Again, I've been on plans and programs for so long, I already know what the starches are. Your pastas, all of that stuff are starches, right? And you get 1 fat per day, 1 good fat per day. So you got to make that fat count. And that's going to be butter. That's going to be anything, avocados, olives. All of those things are considered fats, right? And you get 1 dairy. And that's your day, guys. That is it. That is all you get, right? So, cheeses are also counted as protein on this. Peanut butter is counted as protein. Eggs are counted as protein. I'm sorry, beans are not counted as starch. Beans are counted as a protein, 1 protein. Ricotta cheese is also a protein. So 5 ounces of ricotta. 4 ounces of cheese equals 1 protein. 2 soy burgers or 2 soy hot dogs equal 1 protein. 3 eggs equals 1 protein. And 3 tablespoons of peanut butter equals 1 protein. So as you can see, it's kind of very, very restricted, but I mean, can you see why you would lose weight, right? So if you're doing beef on the program, you get 6 ounces of raw beef on the red plan, and you get 8 ounces of raw chicken. So you have to measure it before you actually cook it, right? So that gives you kind of an idea of where that is at on the LA weight loss. Again, you have to shrink that stomach pretty doggone quick because you don't even get to load up on vegetables, you know. So your lettuce, that's considered one vegetable. Your tomatoes, you can have all of your groups of vegetables at lunchtime in your salad, you know. So very, very, very restrictive. And at this point in the game, I don't think I can get that restricted yet. I gotta get my head and my heart in the game, which I talked about last week. And I'm gonna do it. I've been doing it like I said, I'm maintaining. So I haven't really been logging. I haven't really been using Weight Watchers app. I haven't really been doing any of that, but I've been maintaining. So in my head, I guess I kind of know what's happening, right? Even though I've had sugar, it's obviously not been a lot of sugar, but I'm not having sugar on top of having a huge meal. So that part is probably helping me also. I don't know. But here we are, and it is Thursday, and like I said, I am maintaining. I need to start seeing a decrease. So I did log my weight in onto the Lose It app. So that is, I got everything going. So this is kind of like the first week of that Lose It app, trying to get that going. Hey Donna, if you're watching, are you still doing the Lose It app? I know you were the one who showed me the Lose It app. So let me know if you're still using that. I'm just curious how things are going and if you have any helpful little hints for us. Nikki is using the Use It app also. And Nikki has a channel called A Day in the Blog, Nikki's Day in the Blog channel. So check her out. She's doing counting calories. So I guess that's where I'm headed, is this counting calorie thing for a while. Because like I said, it's already paid for. I don't have to spend any more money. And at this point in the game, I'm trying to get caught up on bills and I'm trying to get things together. So I don't need to spend any money more than I have to. And the food on Weight Watchers was starting to cost me a lot. I have to be able to, I'm gonna have to figure out meals that are going to be a little bit cheaper, right? Counting calories, you're allowed a little bit more pasta than what you are on Weight Watchers. So, you know, you count your calorie with the pasta. Instead, Weight Watchers is like 20 points by the time you edit your pasta, your meat, everything, you know? So that's where I'm at with my game and my plan. I have therapy tonight, so I did not do any of the homework that I was supposed to do. Her homework was for me to reach out and to find groups or find something to do. Guess what? I don't have time. I don't have time to reach out and to find something to do. So therefore, with working 6 days a week, this Sunday is our family birthdays. So we will be headed to Dave and Buster's on Sunday for birthdays. So then after that, they're all going to my great nephew's soccer game. But this auntie is coming home. I'm tired. I got to do laundry and I got to get prepared for Monday, right? Yesterday I got off early, which was kind of nice, but I was so tired. I was exhausted. I still had to come home. I made chicken noodle soup. So that's what I'm having tonight for dinner, is my chicken noodle soup, and I'm having a salad. So I couldn't even turn on the video. So I got to head back to work. This is part of my lunchtime here. So I will see you guys tomorrow or Saturday, hopefully. And we'll see I'll let you know how the therapy goes. I can tell you I am getting better. Your prayers have been tremendous. I am getting over the name that you should not mention, the name who should not be named. I'm getting through that. I still have my moments here. I have my moments there, but you know, that was 6 years I knew that guy. Anyway, So I guess easy come, easy go. And I don't know. Don't know. As of right now, it's just me and Buddy. That's all it is, right? And Buddy's like, Mommy's always gone. So he's, he's here with me right now. He's a good boy. Next Sunday, he goes and gets groomed. So that's going to be time out too. I can't wait, and I know he can't wait. He's sitting on the arm of the couch right now, by the way. Silly boy. Buddy has gotten to be a little bit on the heavy side. After his neutering, he's gotten to be a little chunky monkey. So, Buddy's on a diet too, but he doesn't eat that much, but he is still gaining weight. So, I got to get him to the doctor also. All right. Everybody take care. Buddy and I will talk to you next week. Say bye, Buddy. Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say mwah. Bye, everybody. Look at the camera.